Hi, I'm Jess from Nanoleaf, and as a part of our Experience Your Space campaign, we're surprising people with a Nanoleaf room transformation. Today, with the help of Marcie, we're surprising her daughter, Clara. Let's go meet them and help them experience their space in a whole new way. Hi, Marcie.
Hi.
Hi. Clara's not home, is she?
No, not
okay,
yet.
perfect.
But her sister's here.
Oh, perfect. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. So, Marcie, tell me, why do you think Clara would be perfect for a Nanoleaf transformation?
I think she's maturing now, getting older. Her room's been the same since she's been very little. And yeah, it'd be nice to see a change. She's very creative. She sings, she enjoys playing her keyboard. She plays the ukulele now. I think it'll boost her creativity. And she's also doing her spring cleaning now, so it's a perfect time.
Do you want to show me the room?
Yeah,
Perfect.
So this is Clara's room. As you can see, it's plain. She's outgrown it, and she's very creative and artsy, and so I want to kind of inspire her to be more creative. Yeah, I'm thinking just add some color to her room. And I think, yeah, a good place would be right there to put the panels, because there's more space, and I think she'll see it once she enters. Is that a good spot there?
Yeah, great. So let's get started. I'll show you what I brought for you today,
Okay.
and then we can start by picking out a design. So what I brought for you guys today is one Nanoleaf Canvas Smarter Kit and Nanoleaf Canvas expansion packs. So for a total of 17 canvas squares.
Wow.
The first step is the design, and I'm just wondering, what do you think would suit Clara best?
I was looking online just earlier and I saw a rainbow, and I'm thinking that's something that will suit her room. She's very creative and colorful. She's got a colorful personality. So I think, yeah, rainbow is kind of a good choice.
You think a rainbow would be nice? I see that you're wearing a rainbow.
Yeah, both of them
Perfect.
like rainbows.
This is perfect. So in the Nanoleaf app, you can use Layout Assistant to help plan your design. You can drag and drop the canvas squares to create the rainbow design that we've selected. So now we have our rainbow. You did it!
So do you think she's gonna love it?
I think she's gonna love it.
Can we turn it on?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow.
Wow.
That is amazing.
That looks incredible.
Wow.
Another great thing is that you can change the color and the design on the app.
Wow. Forest.
Oh.
Memory. I think Clara's gonna love the makeover because it makes her room unique and colorful, just like her personality.
What's great is that there's a feature that allows it to react to music. So when Clara is playing her keyboard, you'll see your design light up by selecting a rhythm scene, and you can select any one of those there. Now you can see it's reacting to our sound, our voices, and when she's playing her keyboard, you'll see it light up in the exact same way. It also reacts to touch as well.
She's gonna love it.
She's gonna love it. Let's go see if she's back from school. How was your day today at school?
It was good.
Oh. So I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah. You want to see it? Go see.
Close
It's in
your
your
eyes.
room.
Close your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
You like
You
it?
love it? Aw.
When I opened the door to my room, I felt surprised and excited because the panels and the rainbow design look very colorful.
It's cool, right?
I love making her happy. Like, it's the most important thing to me. Then this will react to singing, when you play piano, when you play ukulele.
I'm jealous that Clara has the panels in her room and I would like one in my room. Whoa! You can also play games on it too.
That's so cool.
The lights make my room different because they are more colorful. They change my room to make it different and more unique.